Alright, I couldn't wait to open this, so I figured out how to use this ugly thing. Just like this. Anyways, I got it open. There's the lid. Open this. And there we go. Stop, Papa. We got a gang of 7.62.
Yeah, about that. Yeah. Yeah, about it.
Hey, Elijah, you like your dad's guns?
Yeah.
Huh? You want to shoot him?
Oh, I like the other one with the scope.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
About that. Uh-huh.
Check this out.
Yeah, about that. Oh,
That's cool, right? You don't touch that, puppy.
I look at these bullets.
Put it back.
This. Okay, of the bullets. These are for guns.
I can't see the caliber on the back.
The BB guns.
There he is.
Yeah, about that. Hi. Okay. Of that.
That's my wife. She'll get her some hair dye. She's going to go dye her hair.
And she's,
Oh,
yeah.
and that's that.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got to put this back.
Hair dyeing.
So there's like
Yeah.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 32 boxes. Dang.
Yeah. 32 boxes. About that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. When are we going to go shooting?
Out. 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah.
And where are we going to go?
Oh. I want to go to Walmart. Okay.
What's at Walmart? What do we have to buy at Walmart?
I want to buy a fake gun.
What?
Yeah, with a scope. With fake BBs.
Alright, we can get a real gun with real BBs, okay? Alright. Alright, y'all, later.